I'm about to reveal the fastest and easiest way for you to select the proper router bit for your job. It's bit time.
Quick bits of information. With Eli the Bit Guy.
At American Bitworks, we understand. Selecting the proper bit for the job, well, it can be tricky. That's why we created an online tool called Select-A-Bit. You'll find the Select-A-Bit tool on the homepage of our website. When you click the Select-A-Bit button, you'll be taken to this page where you'll find plastic materials broken into categories based upon the plastics pyramid. From commodity plastics with low surface temperature stability on the bottom to ultra high performance plastics with a much higher surface temperature stability at the top. For ease of use, we have assigned a different color to each of the categories. Once you determine which category your material is in, then simply select a tool style that has the same color code as your material. We have also added a purple category just for foam boards. For our first example, let's say you are cutting coroplast material, which is in the foam board category. Next, scroll down to select which bit style you want from those with the purple color bar. When you click on the style you want, you'll be taken to the size chart. Here, you'll find a list of diameters available along with various lengths of cut. Once you find the bit with the diameter and length of cut you need, simply click on the EDP number and you will advance to the ordering page. Here, you will see the price of the bit based on the quantity you wish to order. The more you order, the better the price. Enter the quantity you want to purchase and they'll be placed in your cart. Remember, all orders placed with AmericanBitWorks.com ship next day air. And all orders over $125 ship free. Free and fast? You can't beat that. For clarity, I'll do one more example. From the homepage, click on Select-A-Bit. Determine which category the material you are cutting is in. If by chance you don't see the exact name of your material listed, just pick a material similar to what you are cutting. For this example, we are cutting Lexan, which is in the orange category. Scroll down to select which bit style you need for your application. For this example, we'll select the 2 straight flute O style. Now, simply look through the size chart to find the diameter and length of cut you need, and then click on the EDP. This again will take you to the ordering page, which shows the price breaks for the various different order quantities. Enter the quantity you want to order and they'll be placed in your cart for purchasing. Remember, all orders placed at AmericanBitWorks.com ship next day air, and all orders over $125 ship absolutely free. I hope you find the Select-A-Bit process helpful in making your future bit selections. See you next time on
Quick bits of information. With Eli the Bit Guy.